Hello guys, and in this video we're going to be talking about what is repeat until and wait until scratch. These are two similar terms but with a different meaning. He will be talking about what is wait until while I will be talking about what is repeat until. So, shall we start? Yes, we shall start. So guys, as he's already told you that they are two similar terms, but the difference of that is huge. There's a huge difference between those two. So, as he's already told you, we'll be talking about repeat until, I will be talking about wait until. So without wasting any more time, let's jump onto the PC and have a look what these two terms mean. So first, let's start off with repeat until. So, what is repeat until? For that, I've got to open a Scratch project, new one, and this fellow, I've got the sprite in Avery. So what I'm going to say is, when flag is clicked, repeat until is in the control section. So repeat until, I just means repeat until. I'm going to create a code, maybe number, and I'm going to say repeat until number is equal to 50. So repeat until number is equal to 50. Okay, not 50, I don't think 50 is a good idea, but we'll just say 10. Move 4 steps. So move 4 steps. So now I'm going to say when flag is clicked, set number to 0 and wait. Okay, I'm going to put in this in a forever block. I'm going to say wait 1 second and I'm going to say change number by 1. I'm going to show the variable number. So let's see what happens. So 1, 2. Okay, I think 4 steps was a little too much. 1 step. Okay, let's see. Okay, 1 second. We'll also say whenever flag is clicked, or we'll just put this under here. Bring this guy back here. Okay, so let's see now what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Moment 10 happens, then he will stop moving. Let's play it again and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stopped moving. This is because number. So what does a repeat until do? Basically, repeat until this condition is true. Until the condition is true, it will make this code go on again and again. So I'm going to type until the condition is true, it will make the code inside it keep going on and on. So that is what is a repeat until. So until the condition inside is true, it makes it go on whatever is there inside. Now let's look. What is a wait until? So now he will explain to you. So he will explain to you as I've already said. So please come in and explain. Yes, hello. And I'm going to explain to you what is wait until. You've already heard him talk about repeat until, and we'll just use the same thing. So back to the control section, there only above repeat until there's this block called wait until. So I'm going to say wait until equal to 10, number equal to 10, move 1. What will this code do? So basically, let's look at the difference. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 1 second, just a second. I'll just put this in forever. Good. Okay. Okay. If you put this in a forever code, will work. Otherwise, it moved a little bit and it's stuck. So see this. What's gonna happen? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then it slowly starts moving forward. So basically, let me play it again, and let's analyze what is the difference. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically, the difference is repeat until and wait until are two opposite terms, right? Two opposite terms. Repeat until does the code init till the condition is true, till the condition becomes true. Wait until waits and then only does the code after the condition is true. So let's do it again. So repeat until till the condition becomes true, like till that time number was there, it was doing all this. But wait until waits until condition becomes true and then only does this code.
Okay, that will be the end of our video. I hope now you've understood the difference between repeat until and wait until. These two are two opposite terms. Repeat until repeats on those whatever code is there until that thing happens. Repeat until repeats the code until that thing happens. And wait until waits until that thing happens and then only does the code below. So that's the opposites, right? So like repeat until does it till that happens, but wait until waits until that thing happens and then only does the code. If you like this video, please give this video a like. If you learned something new, subscribe to the channel. If you want more videos like this, also subscribe to the channel. Also give comments below. Or if you have any other doubts, or if you want any more videos like this. Thank you, and see you all next time. Bye.